In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a 20% instant discount for Pictory AI. So first, go to my video description, then click on the attached link. Then you are redirected to this website. Now choose a plan. So I highly recommend you, if you are a single person, choose professional because this is $39 per month. So now click on buy. Then if you are want to pay for your price is 468 USD. Now paste my coupon code. Just again type of KUOQK, then apply. Wow, my coupon code are extremely working now. So this is amazing. So if you got 20% instant discount. So if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.